Think about it. You walk into a room, you speak your truth. But something's off. People nod, smile, but don't really believe you. It's not what you said, it's how you made them feel. That awkward silence, the fake agreement. Yeah, you felt it, didn't you? Here's the brutal truth. We judge trust in the first 7 seconds. And most people fail right there. So what's the trick? It's called the mirror trust technique. Subtle mirroring of body language and vocal tone, done naturally, triggers the brain's primal sense of safety. It says, this person is like me. I can trust them. A simple nod, a slight lean in when they do. And matching their energy when speaking, it disarms their guard. Sounds manipulative? Well, so is putting on deodorant to make people stand near you. Same logic. Unless you like rejection, then hey, stay sweaty, my friend. Use this wrong, and you'll seem fake. Use it right, and you'll gain trust faster than any long speech. In interviews, friendships, business deals, even dating. Trust opens doors that effort alone can't. But here's the kicker. This trick is just the surface. People are out there using psychological mind games on you, every single day. I need to show you how to spot and outsmart those games, before they use them on you. Wanna see a video on mind games people use against you, outsmart them fast? Type yes in the comments, and I'll make it next. Also, if you've ever felt ignored for no reason, you're missing something deeply psychological. I just dropped a powerful video on the hidden psychology behind why people ignore you. Fix this. Trust me, you need that one too. It's on your screen now. Watch it next, before someone else plays you first.